3 best legit money-making apps you must install in 2021. That you can use to make money online starting from today using your smartphone. Note that they won't make you rich, but they'll earn you some extra money on the side. If you want to know the name of these apps, how they work and how you get paid, make sure to watch this video till the end. What's up you guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. But before we continue with our today's topic, much appreciate if you will like this video now. And if it's your first time visiting my channel, please consider subscribing, because I'm uploading videos where I will teach you how to make some extra money online for free. Without any waste of time, let's jump into our today's topic. So for today's video, we're going to start from the highest paying app, then we'll go all the way to the lowest paying app. Number 1, it's an app called Userfeel. So this how Userfeel look like. The Userfeel app, available for iOS and Android, allows you to participate in usability tests, meaning you get paid to visit and explore new websites, perform various simple tasks on the site, and offer recorded feedback and critiques. There is a helpful video on the website that provides a clear illustration of what is expected. Each test lasts 10 to 20 minutes, and you're paid $10 a test in cash via PayPal or Payoneer. One of the standout features of this app is that you take an initial qualifications test, which records your voice and your screen as you walk through given tasks. This is a version of what you'll be doing, but it's unpaid and meant to not only test whether the app is working, but also to give you a rating by the Userfeel team. The better your rating, the more tests that will be assigned to you. The app scored 3.2 out of 5 on Google Play. Number 2, it's an app called Honeygain. So this how Honeygain look like. So what you're going to do on this app right here is that you're going to get passive income online effortlessly. With Honeygain, you can make money by simply sharing your internet. You can download and use this app for both Android and iOS devices. It also available on both App Store and Google Play Store. Now you might not believe that this app is legit, but you can see right here over almost 2,000 reviews on Trustpilot, 4 out of 5 stars, which means lot of people are making money from this app. So these are the 5 steps you're going to take for Honeygain to get started. Step 1, set it up. Honeygain can be installed on any Windows, Linux, Mac OS, or Android device with a stable internet connection. Step 2, run Honeygain. Once active, Honeygain securely shares your internet connection, never gaining access to your personal data. Step 3, let it gather. Honeygain uses your internet connection to gather bits of information that's publicly available online. Step 4, help businesses. Credible companies use this data for web statistics, price comparison, and other verified business processes. Step 5, get paid. Users earn money for all the traffic they share and can choose to receive payouts in PayPal or BTC. This is how much you can expect to make on the monthly basis with Honeygain. As you can see right here, estimated earning. Your earnings * directly depend on the amount of traffic you share with Honeygain's network. So the more you share, the more you will continue to earn with Honeygain. Don't worry, if you want to join this app, I will leave a link in the description box below for you to download this app, and you will get a $5 welcome bonus when you use the link in the description box below. Number 3, it's an app called simcash.io. So this is what simcash.io website look like. So you're going to earn profits with your unused SMS messages. So what this means is that you're going to use your unread messages to make some free extra income on the side online with this platform right here. So as you can see right here, this is a potential money you can make with this platform here. So as you can see right here, these are the 3 benefits of working with this platform. 1, get paid weekly. Monitor your balance in real time and ask payments by clicking the request payout button. You will receive the payment within 7 days. 2, euros, USD. Crypto. Simcash can pay you in your favorite cryptocurrency like Bitcoin or Ripple. If you prefer, you can request a transfer through PayPal or in euro or US dollars to your bank account. 3, passive income. Joining Simcash is free and require no investment. Once you've set up the Sims, you can relax and the app will work for you, even in background. You can chill and see your money grow without working at all. 1 account. Many phones. You can install the app on many devices simultaneously. All the Sims. Another good thing about this app, you decide how many SMSs your Sim can send daily, weekly or monthly. You can also decide day by day how much to be paid for every SMS sent. There are 4 types of withdrawals: Cryptocurrencies, XRP, Doge and BTC, internal transfer, between Simcash.io users, PayPal bank transfer and the minimum payouts are as follows: internal transfer, between Simcash.io users, 0, 50 euros. PayPal 6 euros, XRP, Ripple 6 euros, Dogecoin 8 euros, BTC, Bitcoin 30 euros, normal bank wire transfer 50 euros per $50. How long does a payout request take? All payments will be made within 7 working days. All withdrawals under 100 euros will be done automatically and almost immediately due to the blockchain time for cryptocurrencies. I hope this video has been helpful. So, these are the 3 legit money-making apps you can use to make some extra cash in your downtime. Now, tell me which app seems more interesting to you. You can drop your best comment in the comments section below to let me know. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button in order to be notified whenever I upload a new video based on this content. Once again, thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.